guys, how's it going? Vape Life Yo here. It's been 3 weeks now of grinding rank 1 in population 1. I'm about 8 beers deep, so sorry if I'm a little drunk for this video, but we are chilling. Basically, I just want to do a little room tour, show you guys around, show you what it's like to be a rank 1 player in this VR world. It's not easy, dude. It comes at a price. It comes at a price of health and dignity, and I'll show you this right now. So you guys see my backdrop, right? Looks pretty good. Got the chair, got the beer wall, sure, whatever. But you come down here, dude. Check this out. This is the first corner. Now this is my chair. It's still pretty clean, right? Got the monitor box. Now we start getting into it though. Beer cans, water bottles. There's my box from my sponsor. I haven't moved it in 2 weeks now. There's a broken index controller. There's my index as well right beside it. There's the index controller box, a box of random shit like for tools and stuff. We got a food bag back there. We got some sweaters and shirts down here that I use for beer towels. That's what I clean up my spills with. And now we're getting under the desk, dude. This is it. This is the real monster. So I spent about 3 weeks of not picking anything up or putting anything down properly. So whenever I finish a can of beer, I just drop it. And this is where it ends up, dude. Got some nice food boxes down here. It's a little full. It's kind of hard to put your feet down there. Usually your feet are just sitting inside a beer, and there's no nice place to put them. You got some sweet chili heat Doritos, a lighter, some tape, you know. Just a good mix. There's my index controllers there, hiding in the t-shirt cloth as well. That's where we put our t-shirts, right? Got some nice Twisted Tea box there. We'll take a sip of that real quick. Kind of thirsty. Delicious, dude. Okay, continuing under the desk here. We got the chair. Actually, the chair is sitting on a floor of cans right now. I couldn't get it on the floor actually, so it's kind of levitating right now. Another shirt. We got some more tools and bottles and snacks over there. We got the pumpkin seeds, you know the vibes. A book for when I want to read and feel smart. There's a pepperoni stick we failed to open. We couldn't open that because we tried to open it too fast and it broke, and then we couldn't open it. So it's just chilling there. Over here you see we have a desk full of our dishes from the food that our girlfriend makes us. Thanks, mommy. There's our tomato soup. Very good. Delicious. That was pretty good soup, honestly, not gonna lie. There's my tool bucket. That's what we repair our headsets with whenever they break. And there's our fan. It's not on right now. I think that power switch is broken. There's our headphones. We ripped those in half the other day because they were bullshit and they weren't that good quality. Shout out to Skull Candy or dog shit. More Quest 2 shit. There's the closet, dude. It's pretty farmed right now. It's got some boxes in there, some whatever the fucks, you know the vibes. There's a pizza in there for sure. There's our 2 Oculus boxes there. That's what we use to keep grinding the boards. Whenever we break a headset, we have to go buy Quest 2. We have to use that. Some costumes up there, the King costume. Some cleaning supplies that I don't use, obviously. Sitting up there, nice and pretty. Now we're going to move into the back shelf. I got fruit snacks, the hot rods that... Oh, sorry, I just knocked over some cans with the cord. We got some fruit snacks. There we go. Looking good. Some vape supplies, a harmonica, some earbuds. And here's our graveyard of controllers and headsets. There's the Quest 2. There's an index controller. About 3 or 4 Quest 2 controllers in there, including a Rift S controller or 2. Not too sure. There's our Magic the Gathering cards back there. Right here's where I put my webcam usually. There's the lights. There's fucking you guys right here. This is what my monitor setup looks like. And we're moving right onto the table now. So we got the little beer tower going on there in front of the PC. Helps keep it cool. I got beer cooling. Got some fries from 2 weeks ago. I don't know why they're still there. Some sauce, creamy sriracha, just in case. That pizza's been there for 2 weeks at least. And my vape, my old vape's there actually, and some coffee. You know, Red Bulls, some vape juice, some vape tips, vape wire, vape cotton down there. There's some more food here. What's this? Okay, that's some old poutine. Nice. There's the other half of the headphones, guys. We'll just go ahead and get rid of that. We got some dog treats. That's what I feed my dog, but I don't let him in here anymore. I promise I'm not a shitty pet owner, dude. I don't let the dog in the room anymore because it's just too messy. I'll give that disclaimer right now. He's not allowed in here, so he hasn't eaten any treats. There's some old coffee. There's our chicken wings with some cotton in there from when we rebuilt. These chicken wings are really old, dude. Let's just go ahead and check this out. Make sure this is some good coffee or not. It's stuck, actually. The plastic's breaking as I open it. Yeah, it's only getting a little thick, but it should be pretty good. Nice. Some old vape batteries, some vape juice, some sauce, dude. all the good shit you need, really. Some Baileys. There's our moonshine cherries, ready to go whenever. Some old fucking whiskey. Some more cups back here, guys. Some more coffee for us. Hell yeah, we've been breathing in these spores for the last month. Feels good. Actually, fun fact, my mouse pad, guys, is hanging off of my desk, and it's balancing by 2 beer cans here and a cup, and then off the edge there's only 2 beer cans there, so that's pretty fun. But yeah, moving along, guys, is pretty much it. Like, the floor's kind of farmed, like getting kind of dirty. We'll clean that up in a bit here, and yeah, that's about it. Bit of everything everywhere, dude. That's pretty much what it looks like to grind rank 1 out in a VR game, dude. Takes a lot of dedication, no time to clean. Do a little backup shot here so you guys can see the full effect. It's kind of neat. You can have like a little I Spy game in here, to be honest. You can definitely play a good game of I Spy right here, no cap. Pretty nice. Good little backdrop there. Some shirts, some dog hair everywhere, whatever the fuck. A vape sitting there, you know, the sword that we smash around. There's my soundproofing. Starting to peel on that end. This side's good though. More soundproofing there. The mini fridge, yeah, looks good. I got sour cream all over my walls from like a couple weeks ago too. We spilled some sour cream and it's all over my mini fridge in the
shop.
I do want to see it all.
Said vape on his knees too easy.
Way too easy for us, way too easy. Yeah, we did a little cleanup, boys, so we're on our knees. I'm not just having your jokes about weirdos. We gotta start your way up, chat. Start your way high, and work your way down when it comes to cleaning. Because you don't want to fucking do your floor and then knock all your crumbs off your desk back onto the floor. Alright? All I have to do is take all my garbage bags now, and that's no fun. Make my dishes up. Pretty fucking good, boys. We did a good job cleaning, honestly. I'm pretty fucking burnt down now. So these bags all need to go. See what that box. All those cans need to go too. That's all gonna be gone right there.
Pictures and links channel
so on Discord. That pile of clothes is going in the laundry. That shelf is good. You see the desk, dude. Got some pepperoni sticks we have to eat because they're dirty, but we're gonna eat them anyways because they're fine on the inside. My drink. Wow, that goes back in the closet. Closet's looking good. Here's the floor, chat.
Mark.
Floor's nice and clean. There's the soupy bucket we cleaned it up with.
Foxy
we even cleaned our foot pedals, chat. We even cleaned our foot pedals.
Said Deo on the desk.
Do the desk. Yeah, the desk looking good. The keyboard's a little fucked still, but that's okay.
Said Grandma desk.
It's on the grandma desk. That's all our dishes on the mini fridge. Mini fridge is pretty clean. Floor's looking good, dude. More cardboard and cans and garbage to go up there. The bucket I'm gonna do right now. That's fucking heavy. She's free.
Foxy Grandpa. Said lotion on the desk.
Always lotion on the desk. I gotta hit that actually. I was touching that fucking chemically rag. Dries on my hands. Hey guys, Vape Life Yo here. Subscribe to my YouTube down here or follow me on Twitch to catch the action live.